What's up, everybody? So I am standing in front of the newest addition to the So Yeah family, Scrap Apple Quilts. This is the beginning of a, I don't know how many part video series where we're gonna show you what it looks like when we purchase a quilt store and how it progresses into kind of fitting in the So Yeah family. Let's get to it. So we just walked in the front doors, and as you can see, very different vibe from our store in Las Vegas and our store in Alaska. We love the layout of this store, and we love the kind of home feel that it has. I wasn't super huge on the carpets. These carpets are actually wool carpets that were specially brought in, and they are like 18 years old, but they look like they're brand new. They have them cleaned and maintained. Lots of wood in this store. You can see the displays are all wood, there's wood on the walls. I like that. I don't know if that's gonna change kind of going into the future, but only time will tell. I love the amount of displays that are here to show, like look at this fat quarter display, full of fat quarters for everybody to walk in and grab some fat quarters and kind of do their thing. There are not a ton of basics in the store, so we're definitely gonna be putting more basics in. They have a beautiful boutique selection that we definitely wanna keep and add to, as well as lots of wall space here to be able to display all the projects and all the quilts and the things that you're gonna be able to make from the store here. This will kind of just get us started so you can see what's going on. Cell room back here, there's definitely a lot of changes that I want to do here in this area. The second part of the building is across the street where the classroom is separate. We'll do events and stuff there, so we're gonna walk over there and check it out. Hi, don't mind us, you can do your thing. But this is the classroom. This is gonna be where we do our club days, where we do our special events, our classes, hopefully big sales in this room as well, since we have a lot of the open space. So this is a room I'm very excited for. It's got a lot of potential. It's gonna be cool, very excited for this room. So guys, it's our first day in the store here, and this is just the very first update. To kind of give you an idea of what everything looks like in the beginning, and you guys know, we like to do things big at So Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some changes in here. We don't wanna change completely kind of the look and feel of the store. At the same time, we have a lot of good ideas. A couple things that are gonna happen here in the store. Quilting services, definitely. Sewing machine sales and repairs and services are definitely gonna happen. And then we have our club days, which are gonna be a lot of fun. I'm super stoked about club days here in St. George. It's one of those things that there's a lot of quilters here. I'm very excited to be able to offer that to the quilters in St. George, make the space for it and kind of get things changed. And I'm excited to see your reactions if you live in the area of what you think as we make those changes. So if you've been to the store, I want you to comment down in this video. Let me know that you've been here, and I hope you come back and visit soon so you can see everything. And obviously, like I said, we're gonna keep you guys updated in the video series. So for now, I'm out of here.